When we actually fulfill orders for 30 kilos or more, this is what we do. In the night, we come for the cages and then we pull it to the sides where there's more light so we can see clearly the fishes. We do them little by little, so it's better for the fishes, so that while they are inside the net, they don't actually harm each other because their spikes, their fins are really sharp, that's why.